Hey guys, and welcome to AK Pro Films, your source for tech tutorials and more. And on this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 Mac applications that you might not know about. Some users might know about certain apps, but I'm just going to dig a little deeper into the Mac operating system and show you some applications that might be a little hidden to the average user. So let's dive right into this video right away so you can learn some of those hidden Mac applications buried inside of your system. Alright, so before we actually begin this video, I have a shout out to another channel on YouTube. It is called Mega Tech Network. I would recommend to go check out his channel right after you watch this video. The link will be in the description below. Alright, so now let's begin this video about the top 5 applications that are hidden to the average user. As I said before, some of these you might know and some you will not. Alright, so did you know you have a dictionary built into your Mac computer? Well, you actually do, and it is simply called Dictionary. You can open that up either in Launchpad or you can do a quick search using Spotlight. You have a ton of different options such as the dictionary, thesaurus, the Apple Dictionary, or just Wikipedia results. It saves a lot of time instead of opening up Safari and typing in definitions or similar words or just Wikipedia results. So all you have to do is choose what one you want to look up. So let's say we want to look up a definition for computer. We can do that and it brings up similar words or just the definition and the part of speech. And you can also look up similar words to computer. You can look up Apple definitions. So if we want to search up iPad, we can, and it'll bring up a iPad definition for Apple's device. Or you can also do a Wikipedia search right there. You have all these other similar results as well. So the dictionary app is a really useful tool if you want to just find some dictionary definitions right away. So it is very handy and right at your fingertips there. So the dictionary is a great tool on your Mac. Alright, so moving on to our next application that you might not know of, it is called Stickies. It can be found in Launchpad or by doing a quick Spotlight search. So you probably notice that there's a little icon down here and it's of a sticky note. I actually have it on my second desktop over here. So it's just a really handy widget for your desktop where you can remind yourself to do certain things. So when you open that application, it'll bring up a blank sticky note. You can customize it by pressing enter a couple times and adding some stuff. And you can just remind yourself to do certain things later on during the day. And it actually really helps with productivity as well. So let's say we want to just customize this a little bit. That's a really cool feature, how you can customize the color. So you can change the color to gray, yellow, blue, green, pink, or purple. I think you get the idea there. You can also make it translucent so you can see things behind the note as well. And I kind of like that feature. And also you can change the font. So all you want to do is show fonts. As well, you have some other options down here as well, such as bold and underline. And italicize it, I think, as well. So all you have to do is highlight your text and you can just change the font. I actually like this one because it looks more realistic, and you can also make the text larger or smaller, which is a really cool feature as well. So the customization options are nice as well. So I totally recommend using the sticky note application as it totally reminds you to do certain things later on during the day. So diving into this next feature, are you kind of sick and tired of graphing those lines in Algebra 2, and so on and so forth? Well, there's an app for that too on your Mac. That is called Grapher. You can also open up Launchpad and open up Other and opening up Grapher, or just doing a Spotlight search as well. You can do a 2D graph or a 3D graph. It's totally up to you, but I'm just going to show you it on a 2D graph. So I'm just going to do the classic. And you have your standard y equals, and you can do your equations just like that if you're in math classes. So it's a really fancy application for graphing lines. So let's just do 2x plus 1. And it'll graph your equation just like that, having a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of 2. It's really cool because you can add multiple graphs as well. So let's just add a new equation. And let's do 3x plus 2. Let's just do that. And it'll graph this again as well. It's really cool. You can move along the graph with these line handy tools. And it's just a great way of graphing different equations, even into complex 3D graphs as well. So I totally recommend using this as a calculator or just checking your work on your math equations. So that's a really cool application on the Mac that you can just graph certain equations. Alright, so showing you another application, you can either open it up as Spotlight as always or opening it up using Launchpad. It is called Fontbook. Fontbook is a great way of managing all of your fonts on your computer. So all of these fonts I have installed. This is the one I use for my YouTube channel actually. And there's a cool website for finding new fonts, and it is called dafont.com, DAFONT.com, as shown right here. So you can also just download tons of fonts, either that are free or that you donate to or that are for personal use. Just make sure you read that down here. You have to donate to author to here, that'd be recommended. But right here, when you download the font, it'll actually open up in your downloads folder or wherever you have it specified, and then it'll open up in Fontbook. And from here you can add it to all of your fonts. So then all of your fonts installed on your computer show here, so you can manage all of them and see what ones you have installed. And you can also look at the categories such as fun, modern, PDF, traditional, web. You can see all those in here. So this is just a great way of adding fonts and seeing what fonts you have installed already on your computer. Alright, so in closing, there's one more app that is really cool that you can automate your tasks on your computer. It is called AUTOMATOR. So Spotlight, search it, or opening it up in Launchpad, and just see this little robot here. You want to press on him here, and then it'll open up Automated. You can create a new document, a workflow, application, service print plugin, folder, action, calendar, alarm, image capture plugin. I have a video on my channel all about Automator. All you have to do is click on the screen right now to jump to that video to learn how to make an automated task or application. So I'll just show you one right now. Just create a workflow, and this is going to be very brief, but if you want to see the full video, make sure to click on that, and link will be in the description as well. So I'm just going to display a notification and say hello from AK Pro Films. So right there you can customize everything like that, but it's a really cool way of automating tasks and doing things for you. So if I run it, boom, and notification comes up from Automator saying hello from AK Pro Films as I specified it right here. So that was just a very brief little look at Automator. Make sure to check out that full video if you want to learn more about Automator. So thank you guys so much for watching this video about top 5 Mac applications you might not know about. Hope this video helped you out and hope you learned something from this video as well. If you have any video suggestions, make sure to leave those in the comments section below or on my Google Plus page or Twitter page as well. So thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and please make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in my next video.